Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla TV, and welcome to our detailed breakdown of the REV'IT gear pants. Now, the gear pants are a very unique piece in the REV'IT lineup. They're actually very unique for RevZilla.com. What they are a full-grain cowhide exterior and chassis with Dynex mesh built in. So what it gives you is the best of both worlds. You have the protection of leather with the airflow of mesh. And the mesh on these guys is this Dynex mesh, which is a very durable, tight weave. It's going to flow air, but be very protective. So you can see the way these guys are put together. They're built in a very leather pant style shape. It's not the most aggressive shape. It's not a relaxed lifestyle type fit. It's kind of somewhere in the middle. You have some functional and technical pieces here. You have the articulated stretch panels for stretch across the knees for comfort. You have reinforcement along the knee. It's ProLife armor, which is a big step up, and that's an adjustable on the inside of these guys. It's a full knee and shin cup here. And then you also going down, you have more mesh along the front of the shin. Turn to the side for me, Jace. As you can see along the top, it's a full 360 zipper as well as a short connection zipper. The full grain leather along the side. Big reflective panel here on the back, and to go over, depending on under or over the boots, you're going to notice that there's your cuff at the bottom. All YKK zippers here. Now, when I did open that, you probably noticed that there's a liner. These do come with the Hydratex waterproof breathable liner that's completely removable. So, depending on what you're wearing underneath them, you can fit these guys into 3 full seasons. Spring, summer, fall, as well as cold and wet. And if you're willing to go bulk up the thermal a little bit, you could even stretch them into the winter. But remember, you can't really turn off. You're still going to have mesh panels, so in the dead of winter, you're going to get that cold air coming through, even though it's going to hit that waterproof, windproof liner. Turn backwards for me, Jace. The back side of these guys are reinforced. You have articulation across the bottom. If you were to connect this to the jacket, you're going to need some stretch, so that's built in. So these are really built to be the complement to the REV'IT Ignition jacket. The Ignition is the same mix of features, full grain cowhide with Dynex mesh built in. And again, remember, this is the men's specific cut. Jason's a size 50, and there's a women's specific cut, come back around for me, as well. There's the ladies version of these pants. Just for reference, Jason's about 5'11". He's about 175, 180. He wears about a 32-inch inseam jeans. Jason's wearing a 50, and they fit him. They're actually the size that I would wear as well. Notice you have a single adjuster here across the front as well. If you have any questions about the REV'IT gear pants, shoot us a line. See us at RevZilla.com or 877-792-9455. As always, it's over $39. It ships for free. We'll exchange it for free. You can earn Team Zilla cash on it, which is our loyalty program to save you money on your next order. And as always, if you just don't like it, send it back in brand new condition. There's never a restock fee here at RevZilla as long as we get it back with the tags and unused. Thanks for watching RevZilla TV today. Once again, this is the REV'IT gear pant available at RevZilla.com/REV'IT. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.